Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save directly to Reels from Instagram Edits app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin. First, we will be needing to create a new project and then start our editing. In your case, you might continue working on your current projects that you'd find here on the projects menu. So I'm just going to click on this plus sign and then choose any video or any clips from my gallery. So I'm just going to stick with these three images and I'm going to click on done. Now you will be needing to start adding all your editings or apply all your adjustments on your clip. You can either add transitions between the videos, you can add effects to each clip, for example, this one, and I'm going to add a rainbow effects. Then you can also start adjusting the color by going to filters or to adjust tool, etc., etc. And after you finish, you will be needing to simply export your video. And to export, you will need just to go to this button here at the corner, click on export, and then your video will start uh, processing and it will start rendering. After it finish rendering, it will be saved to your camera roll first, and then you would be also having like the right or the ability to share it automatically or directly to Instagram and Facebook. And it seems that it's been stuck a little bit, and let's just refresh the operation. Let's just continue for now. So let's abort, and after that click on export again, and now we will have it that will be working. And now you can simply click on share to Instagram, and after that you can share it to your reels directly, and you can just add simply the captions and all the additional uh, elements or fields that are required to post to Instagram, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.